Welcome, comrades, to DIYbyNZguy product review. Today we're reviewing ANKO Cordless stick vacuum. Some of the pieces are missing because I already put them on a wall, like a charger and the docking station, so that's plugged in. What we're going to do is we're just going to have a quick look-sees, how it works, how it operates, any issues, we'll talk about them, any pluses and minuses, costs versus what do you get, and just this is just a regular review. I bought this with my own money, it's not sponsored, it's just to see what's out there and what you can get for your bang, aka what you can get for your rubles. We'll start with the battery first. It says fairly lightish battery, not too heavy. It is 22.2 volts DC, 2020 milliamp hours, but I have suspicion by the weight of it somebody's cheating us out of the wattage. It slides in, clicks in. Operation is on, off. Okay. There's an extra button. You'll push that when it's on. It turbocharges it. It's not an LCD display, just a regular attachment. Powered brush with an easy to detach mechanism, which is quite alright. What do you get? So easy to clean it. Hose, nice and easy to detach. You can always stick this one in, have a shorter one, take it to your car. But most important thing after the battery size is the performance, so stay tuned. I had this vacuum cleaner on charge for quite some time to get it to 100%. It has two modes, one is regular, one is turbo, and we can see how fast it drains the batteries just from the demo. So let's go on. It has been just a couple of minutes and the battery's dropped below 80%. Sorry, my mistake. It's been a couple of minutes and the battery is dropping real fast now. You can actually hear the engine slow down, aka the electric motor. Now it's really dropping. So after 2 minutes, that's when the battery issue comes into full effect. It's just dying. Okay, and I'm gonna leave this as a continuous video just so you can see from 100% to 50% in like 3-4 minutes. No good at all. And I reckon there's no point of running this machine in a less than turbo mode, because you're not gonna get the full benefit of it collecting the dust. 30%. Look at it, it just struggles. It just struggles to breathe. Now every second it's just 1%. And it's gonna die. So in my opinion, don't buy cheap shit. Okay? At first it looks alright, works alright, but then you get this. Just die. Alright, and it's done. So the good thing is, it does come with an easily removable dustbin. There's an option of unclicking it here, and this lid opens up that way, and you can dust it out. Or you just pull out this little filter here. You can see all the dust that comes onto it. So it does a decent job, because it has a little filter inside there as well. So here's your dust that I've just picked up from all that vacuuming. Does a decent job of vacuuming, I'll agree to that. Okay. The problem is the battery life. As you saw, not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. From fully charged to completely dead. Okay, let's start it up again and see what it gives us. Nah, not even gonna come back. That's problem number 1. Battery life, shit. Problem number 2 that I found with this one. I'm gonna just detach this so I can easily move it around. Is the charging situation. Yeah. Welcome back. Sorry, I was meant to say DC voltmeter. So we've got it on DC 200 volts. I'm gonna just plug it up. It's coming with a 26.7, and you can see it's jumping around. Well, let's say 26 volts, which is not bad. The problem is how many amps. So I'm gonna just change that over and set it to amps, and we can see. So I've got it set on amps. I'm just gonna plug it up, and let's see. So we've got 0.40, 0.50, 0.50, 0.50. So that's the problem with the AC adapter that converts it to DC that comes with this vacuum cleaner. It just oscillates, so it doesn't give you a consistent output. So in that case, when you put the machine on charge, it doesn't charge very well. Okay, it oscillates, so it doesn't give it continuous power. So it takes about 6 hours to charge about 15%. I had to, and after 6 hours it automatically stops charging because it feels like, oh yeah, I've been charging enough. Advertised as 5-hour charge, so I have to keep taking it off, putting it back on, so it restarts that 6-hour charge cycle. No good at all. So this was just a quick review of an ANKO Cordless vacuum stick cleaner. Just a side note, Let's see how much we picked up. Fair bit. That was just 5 minutes worth of vacuuming. Imagine doing the whole house for this if it ran for 20 minutes or so. Imagine that full of air. So be aware, I spent 125 New Zealand rubles on it, and I just wasted my money. So I'm gonna go seek a full refund, and hopefully I'll get it. Thanks guys, this has been DIY by NZguy product review. Thumbs up and subscribe.